Are you keeping up in 2025 with what's going on so you won't be left behind? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest. Her name is Jay. She is my AI avatar mentor.
So tell me, are you evolving with the times, or are you still out here using 2020 strategies in 2025?
Jay, be honest. How many people you think are out there hustling hard instead of working smart?
Too many. But that's why we're here today to help them level up. Welcome to today's session, where we're breaking down how to evolve with your times in 2025. Let's go! Listen, 2025 is not the year to be rigid. The people thriving are the ones who adapt. It's like an app update if you don't upgrade. You're running on outdated software.
Exactly. If you're still stuck in that I don't like change mindset, newsflash. You're outdated software.
Harsh, but true. So let's fix that. First step. Build an adaptable mindset.
Here are a few actionable steps to upgrade your mindset, and you can take charge today. Daily upgrades. Read or learn something new every day. AI advancements, financial literacy, or just personal growth. Resilience training. See challenges as a skill building level rather than failures. Drop the ego. Your old ways might not be the best way anymore. Be open to evolving. Alright, Jay, pop quiz. If you're not leveraging AI in 2025, then what are you doing?
Making life way harder than it needs to be. AI is the ultimate assistant. It can automate, optimize, and even think ahead for you.
People are actually out there thinking that AI is going to steal their job, but really, when it's an assistant to actually help you work smarter. Here are a few steps when it comes to your digital presence and AI integration. Use AI for productivity. Automate tasks like scheduling, emails, or content generation. Build your digital presence. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or a professional, your online presence is your new resume. And create. Don't just consume. Instead of scrolling for hours, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva AI features to create content that grows your brand.
All right, let's talk about that bag. If you still have only one income source in 2025, we need to talk.
Jay, be nice.
I am being nice. I'm trying to make sure they don't get left behind. Multiple streams of income aren't a luxury anymore, they're a necessity.
Here are a few actionable steps for monetization and financial evolution. Create digital products like ebooks, courses, AI-powered services, stuff that sells while you sleep. Automate income streams. AI tools can help you set up a passive income system. Diversify smartly. Whether it's investing, YouTube monetization, or selling digital assets, make sure you're not relying on just one thing. All right, Jay, let's be real. A lot of people are great at making money, but terrible at keeping relationships.
Facts. In 2025, connections are currency. And no, I don't mean fake networking where you collect contacts like Pokemon cards. I mean real relationships.
Here are a few actionable steps to build a stronger relationship in the digital age. Be a connector. Introduce people, build valuable relationships, and create opportunities for others. Build online presence in real life. DMing is cool, but real life connection holds weight. Master emotional intelligence. In a world where most communication is digital, reading between the lines is a superpower.
So, let me ask again, are you evolving or are you about to be left behind?
It's your choice. The world is moving super fast, but if you stay ready, you never have to be ready.
And don't forget like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this wake-up call. We'll see you in the future.
Drop a level up in my comments below if you're serious about evolving in 2025. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!